this award. The award, I think so, should be to my incredible team. Great job. Without them, probably would not have got to where we are. Also, thank you to our loyal customers. And what is our biggest customer? The kids that we serve, because our mission is very, very clear. We want to basically inspire every child throughout the world to become innovators for tomorrow. So, thank you to our customers, our kids, the parents, along with our franchise partners, without which, they would not be able to spread what we are doing. And also to the organizers, thank you for honoring us. Appreciate all that you do. Hopefully we'll always come back. Thank you for all the work. Great job.